Informal ways to say, sorry. Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of informal apologies. We all know that mistakes happen and sometimes we just need a quick and casual way to say, sorry. So, let's get into it and learn how to apologize informally in English. Remember, it's not just about the words, it's also about how and when you say them. Informal apologies are casual expressions we use with friends, family, and peers. They might not be appropriate in formal settings like business meetings or in a courtroom, but they're perfect for day-to-day interactions. They're a way to acknowledge a mistake without making it a big deal. Here are some of the most common informal ways to say, sorry. 1. My bad. This is a very casual way of admitting you made a mistake. Example, oh, I forgot to bring the snacks? My bad. 2. Oops. Used when you've done something by accident, often minor. Example, oops, I spilled some water. 3. Sorry about that. A shortened version of, sorry about that, which is quite casual. Example, sorry about that, I didn't see your call. 4. I messed up. A straightforward way to admit you made an error. Example, I messed up the dates, the party is next week. 5. Didn't mean to. Used when something was unintentional. Example, I didn't mean to step on your shoe. While the words are important, your body language can help convey the sincerity of your apology. A smile, shrug, or even a playful face can set the tone, making the apology feel genuine and lighthearted. Remember, these are informal apologies, so it's okay to be a bit relaxed and playful, as long as it's appropriate for the situation. It's essential to know when to use informal apologies. These are best for 1. Casual settings. Hanging out with friends, family gatherings, or chatting with peers. 2. Minor mistakes. If you accidentally bump into someone or forget to pass the salt. 3. With people you're close to, friends, siblings, or anyone you share a relaxed relationship with. However, for significant mistakes or in more formal settings, it's always best to offer a more formal and heartfelt apology. And there we have it. Now you're equipped with several ways to say, sorry, informally in English. Always remember, the key is to be sincere and genuine. We hope you found this video helpful and will use these expressions when the situation calls for it. Until next time, keep learning and stay awesome.